भनेपछि पहिला सुरु पानीको मेजर
शुद्धिकरण गर्नलाई नेपाली स्ट्यान्डर्डमा जति केमिकल हाल्नु भनेको छ त्योभन्दा बढी राख्नु पाएन।
त्योभन्दा बढी मात्रामा राखियो भनेदेखि चाहिँ हाम्रो स्वास्थ्यलाई असर पर्छ कि पर्दैन?
त्यो त बढी डोज भयो भने पनि
यो हामीले आँखाले नै हेऱ्यो प्र्याक्टिकल रूपमा है बायोफिल्टर हेऱ्यो एयर फ्लोर हेऱ्यो डिस्ट्रिब्युसन यो अब पनि हेर्न त हेऱ्यो नि यो फिडिङ यो पनि हेऱ्यो है अब केमिकल फिडिङ यो आलमको पनि हेऱ्यो सर्फेस हाम्रो पानी यहाँ जम्मा हुने भने एक थरी सर्फेस अर्को कसरी आउँछ भनेर साथीले भनिसक्नु भएको फिल्टर भएर अन्तिममा यहाँ आइयो नि लास्ट फिल्टर हुने त्यसमा चाहिँ हामीले यो बिजली पाउडर चाहिँ तयारी गरेर त्यसमा राखिदिन्छौँ आवश्यकता अनुसारले पानीको कति छ त्यसैले राखिदिन्छौँ। अनि यहाँबाट वितरण गर्ने भने एउटा लोकल सप्लाई भनेर बाँडिन्छ हामी एउटा चाहिँ पुरानो पोखरीबाट चाबी खोलेर चाहिँ जम्मा भएको पानी पुरानो पोखरी मार्फत चाहिँ हामीले यहाँबाट पठाइदिने हो। अब बिचबिचमा चाहिँ चाबी बन्द गर्ने खोल्ने गरेर चाहिँ वितरण गरिन्छ मेन त त्यति नै हो। यस्तो यहाँबाट वितरण हुने भने हाम्रो यो लाइन सिधा भयो असन इन्द्रचोक भोटाइटी हाम्रो यो क्षेत्रपाटी एरियाको क्षेत्रहरू कालीमाटीसम्म पनि जान्छ यहाँको पानी। पहिला कलङ्की जान्थ्यो अहिले चाहिँ कलङ्की जाँदैन अलिकति उकालो नै भयो अनि पानीको स्रोत कम छ त्यसले गर्दा त्यस्तो हिसाबले चाहिँ त्यो एरियामा जहाँसम्म जसरी जान्छ हाम्रो यो सोरुखुट्टी एरियामा पनि यहीँबाट जाने पानी हो पालो पालो गरेर पठाइन्छौँ अब रोटेसन हुन्छ हाम्रो।
यस्तो चाहिँ यो ढुङ्गे ढाँडा भन्छ हाम्रो नेवारी भाषामा होइन लु हिटी लो हिटी भन्छ लो भनेको ढुङ्गा हो हिटी भनेको ढाँडो हो। यस्तो हिटीलाई हामीले चाहिँ प्रिजर्भ गर्नु सकेको खण्डमा यो पानीको अभाव आपूर्ति हुनसक्छ होइन त्यस कारण यसलाई हामी जगेर नै गरौँ। यो पानीको मुहान कहाँ छ कसरी आएको छ पानी होइन त्यहाँ चाहिँ कुनै मूल नफुटाउँ अरू कुनै चाहिँ त्यसमा चाहिँ डिस्टर्बेन्स नगरौँ। जस्तै सुनधारामा पानी आएन किन आएन भन्दाखेरि चाहिँ नजिक के सञ्चय कोष बिल्डिङ बन्यो होइन त्यसले चाहिँ पानीको मुहान त्यो भयो। अनि चाहिँ यो मुहान यसको पानीमा के छ हामीलाई चाहिने पोटासियम म्याग्नेसियम फोस्फरस जति पनि लवण तत्त्वहरू जब मिनरल हुनुपर्ने पानी जमिन निकालेर बाहिर फालेपछि त्यसलाई मिनरल वाटर कसरी भनिन्छ। त्यस कारण यो पानीमा मिनरल वाटर भनेको यो हामीले पचाउन सक्नुपर्छ। यो पचाएन भने हाम्रो चाहिँ डाइजेस्टिभ पावर कमजोर छ। त्यस कारण हामीले यस्तो पानीलाई चाहिँ हामीले चाहिँ सुरक्षा साथ अब यस्तो धारालाई हामीले चाहिँ सम्वर्धन गर्नुपर्छ प्रवर्धन गर्नुपर्छ।
72 पछाडि चाहिँ मरसम्मार भयो यसको बर्खामा पनि यस्तै सुनले पानी रहन्छ यहाँ
वडाबाट बजेट मागेर यसको चाहिँ अलि बृहत किसिमले संरक्षण गरियो भने
अति उत्तम धेरै
will be describing what we did first. At first, we did some orientation program on the concern topic, clean drinking water and our concern, where our teacher gave us some introduction and ideas what we will be doing. Then after the orientation, we did some paperwork as guided by our teacher. Now here we are presenting the work in front of you.
Students of grade 8 and 9 visited Purifying Water distribution site with our ISO coordinator, project leader and respective subject teacher. We got a chance to observe the reservation, purification and distribution system of clean drinking water, which is supplied to the various houses, hotel, restaurant and office inside Kathmandu Valley. We have learned the use of alum, bleaching powder and other purifying agents. We observed the mechanism of purifying drinking water, the layer, technical, demonstrative mechanism. We observed the clean drinking water being collected in tanker. We learned new ideas about the purification and distribution of water that day.
After our visit at Purifying Water distribution site, we decided to conduct a cleaning campaign. The students of grade 8 and 9 were divided into groups and taken to various nearby water resources. We cleaned wells, taps and ponds, and we also managed the extracted waste system properly. The local people were happy to see us. We were able to inspire them with our work. They also agreed to continue such works in the future.
After that, we decided to do the export meet. We made the export at our field visit at the Purifying Water distribution site. We interacted with each other and learned many more things by which all the doubts were clear. We made the staff of the department, the head of the KUKR demonstrated the whole system by drawing a diagram which helps in better learning. Finally, we are thankful to the British Council, IIT School, ISA coordinator and our school and our subject teacher for providing us this golden opportunity. Thank you.
Good afternoon. It's our project number 6. The topic is clean drinking water, our concern. For this, we have collected some materials available in our locality. This is a copper filter. We commonly say tamako filter in Nepali. It is fully made up of copper. This tap is made up of plastic, whereas this is a filter candle that is made up of ceramic. It purifies the water and kills the germs. The same filtered water is kept in the jug and served to people. This is one of the copper pot. We say tamako gagri in Nepali for this. The water is purified well and kills the germs. It has religious importance as well. It is used in various rituals. We worship the copper as our god as well. Similarly, this is a clay pot. It is known as gagro. These are some purifying agents. This is potassium, known as potash, and it is water guard. These are modern purifying agents. Now, let me explain the traditional method of purifying water. This is a plastic bottle. Small pebbles are used over here. This is coarse sand. Next one is fine sand, and at the last, fine cloth is kept. In this way, the water is purified. And these all are the important aspects of purifying.
Good afternoon everyone, I'm Anushka from class 9 and today I'm here to talk about the condition of drinking water in Africa, also the international dimension in our project. Condition of drinking water in Africa. Access to clean, affordable and safe drinking water is a fundamental human right. However, access to this essential resource in Africa is not yet universal, with 1 in 3 Africans facing water scarcity and approximately 400 million people in sub-Saharan Africa lacking access to basic drinking water. Access to water remains a pervasive development issue across the continent, as a 2019 report by the World Research Institute (WRI). Indeed, addressing climate change and poor management of water resources and services are paramount to lacking Africa's water stress. Extremely high water risk, said by the WRI, was democrated in dark red, covers large swaths of arid northern Africa, southern Africa, and eastern Africa.
Namaste and a very warm good afternoon to you all. It's Him Rashmi from grade 9, representing Him Rashmi High School. In course of our project number 6, our clean drinking water, our concern, I'm going to describe or elaborate the situation of clean drinking water in Bangladesh. Let me introduce shortly about drinking water. Drinking water, equally known as potable water, is one of the most valuable perspectives of life. It is very much important, and the water we drink should be pure, as the contaminated water causes various diseases that affects our health. Now, let me talk the condition of clean drinking water in Nepal. According to the Department of Water Supply and Sewerage in Nepal, even though an estimated 80% of total population has access to drinking water, it is not safe. The surface water is adversely polluted by mixing industry and domestic wastes, and the random discharge of sewages in the water resources, that is causing water pollution as well. Now, let me talk the condition of drinking water in Bangladesh. Bangladesh has made a significant progress regarding the access of drinking water to population. 97% of total population has access to pure and clean drinking water, even though the condition of clean drinking water is lower than 32.6%. About greater than 41% of total population is having direct water sources, but with facial contamination. Now, let me compare the situation of both these two countries, Nepal and Bangladesh. Every situation of clean drinking water in these countries seems similar due to similar type of environmental components, composition of soil and minerals. The water quality is generally same in both countries. The steps taken for the promotion of clean drinking water also seem similar. The steps which are practiced for the conservation of clean drinking water in Bangladesh and Nepal can give us more information about the situation of drinking water in these countries. Some of the steps taken for the conservation of water resources are: rainwater harvesting is being practiced, but it is not widely emphasized. The methods like boiling, chlorination, sedimentation, storage are performed perfectly. In Nepal, NEWAH is a non-government organization promoting clean drinking water. Similarly, in Bangladesh, NWRC is promoting clean drinking water. These both are the situations for the promotion of development in both countries. To sum up, to save every drop of water is the conservation of life on earth. No organism can survive in this earth without water. For the existence of water, for the cleanliness of clean drinking water is our must. So, save water, save life. Thank you.